The artificial intelligence is not only a future technology, it's the driver of the current trends. In Technical University of Sofia, we have several specialties. In this field, we have strong connections with the business so that we can demonstrate something applied, something that is working. We have different laboratories, we have research teams that are working in this field. That's why we decided Technical University of Sofia to be the host of this program. The blended intensive program in the field of artificial intelligence started with online sessions, and it was about a month. The students had the opportunity to take the theoretical knowledge to understand how the artificial intelligence is working, and to be more specific, they understand what is machine learning, what is image recognition, what is gamification. And of course, we can not do anything of this without the ethical aspects of the artificial intelligence and the standards that are applied by the European Union and other countries. At the end of the blended intensive program, they had the opportunity to come here in Sofia to have some applied knowledge based on what they've already learned, to see some laboratories, like for example the IBM laboratory, because what is a technology, what is a software without hardware? We cannot do anything without understanding how the hardware is working. And the students had the opportunity to understand how to do decision making when they are programming it, but on the other hand, to see the hardware that is making all the calculations. They had the opportunity to meet other students in our RoboClub to see what students are doing, what they are doing with their skills, with their knowledge and same level of education. At the beginning of our on-site week, the students were divided in groups by the universities. At the end of the week, we had one big team that is sharing knowledge with each other. These blended intensive programs give more value to the scientific point of view, because at the end of these programs, the students, they will be still connected. This program gives not only the opportunity to receive knowledge about specific technology, it also shares the spirit of friendship. And it will be a collaboration between future research groups. The science is one big world, and this collaboration that is establishing based on these programs can create some scientific groups that can change the world.